Rando is here, and it's time. It's time for another safe and sane demo for you. But before we talk about this cat, say hello to the one, the only, Sergeant Pyro!
Oh.
Sergeant Pyro. Whoop. We're going to come back down. What do we got tonight to demo?
3 Minute Madness from Magnus Fireworks.
Whoa! 3 minutes. Yes! It says 200-gram fountain down there. And I guess you all know this by now if you've been following the channel. Magnus is brand new to Santan Fireworks, santanfireworks.com, for all your safe and sane firework needs in the state of Arizona and New Mexico. Santan Fireworks has 60 locations, tent locations, opening up soon in the state of Arizona, 2 in New Mexico. Why Santan Fireworks? Well, 3 reasons. Number 1, the biggest selection. Number 2, the best quality, or in other words, best bang for the buck. And number 3, the lowest possible prices anywhere. Santan Fireworks. Don't go there. Go to Santan Fireworks. Don't go to the other guy. Go where? Santan Fireworks. Back to the demo. That was pretty good. All right, now, what do we got here? Let's see. Do we have... Oh, whoa. Oh, my goodness. We have War and Peace here. Here we go. Somebody is revving it. Now, we told them there was no need for them to go ahead and actually run the lawnmower tonight there.
Yeah,
Pyro, but that's okay. Yeah, we'll get them here. They're on the ranch. So here we go. By the way, everybody, Ziggy's here.
Hey, Ziggy.
Say hello to Ziggy. All right, it says, you're not going mad. This fountain really lasts 3 minutes. Tons of variety and a crazy performance, including red, green, gold sparks with gold, silver, crackling flowers. Silver dragons. He's going to cut the lawn anywhere. Colorful pearls. And silver crackles, big sizzling, and more. All right, Sergeant Pyro, are you ready to take 3 Minute Madness out to the street pad and light it?
Let's go.
Let's go! All right, the 3 of us made it to the street pad. Go, Sergeant Pyro!
Keep it in focus, Ziggy.
Yep, do a good job again, Ziggy. Whoa. Whoa! So, it attacked you, Sergeant Pyro.
Shooting at me again.
All right, 3 minutes now. Let's see. Whoa! I love it. That is about as red as the devil down below. Whoa! Whoa! Freaking cool! Whoa! It was like a Star Trek movie. Oh, that's the coolest sounds I've ever heard come out of a fountain. Whoa! What we got, about 12 feet there, you think?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, whoa! Whoa! Look at this, that's so cool! Normally you don't hear Sergeant Pyro comment so much, do you, gang? Down below, that is bright white flame coming out. That's how hot it is. I think we're getting close to 2 minutes.
Yes, we are.
Whoa! Duck! Duck! Incoming! Whoa! Whoa! No. Just when you think this is over. Whoa. Wow, we're still going. You know, Sergeant Pyro, I think this went, I think it went longer than 3 minutes. We'll have to see when we do the editing. But let me say this, BBQ!